So you want to make money on YouTube without showing your face, right? And you want to automate the whole process so you can have more time and more money and to be able to make ends meet and finally have success online. In this video, you'll get a proven business model, YouTube automation. There are people just like you making thousands of dollars every month by other people doing the work for them. By the end of this video, you'll know what type of channel you should start in order to make the most money, where to find video topics that get a lot of views, and where to find people to hire to create these videos, and how to multiply the amount of money you can make with only a little more work. But make sure you stick around until the end because I'm going to share with you a hack I learned from a 7-figure income earner on how to get more views on all your videos by getting into YouTube's suggested section. So let's go ahead and get started right now. First of all, you need to pick a topic or a niche. Don't pick something just because you think it may do well. Focus on niches where advertisers pay a lot because the viewers are interested in spending more money than some of the other niches. Just because a channel gets a lot of views doesn't mean they're making a lot of money. Because some channels only get paid $3 to $4 per 1,000 views. And wouldn't you rather go with a niche that pays $25 to $60 per 1,000 views? Makes sense, right? So it's super important to get this right. And just in case you don't know, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to apply for the Google AdSense program to earn money when ads are placed at the beginning, in the middle, and the end of your videos. For example, personal finance is a niche that pays $35 to $45 per 1,000 views, like this channel right here. So you can see by their Social Blade stats, they get paid $278 to $4,500. But if we look at this little question mark here, it says that that is based on 25 cents to $4 per 1,000 views. So knowing this niche pays higher than that, we can take the total number of views right here, over 1 million views in the last 30 days, and divide it by 1,000 and then multiply it by $35 to $45. And then you can see that this channel makes anywhere from $27,000 to $39,000. Oh, and by the way, if you're really serious about crushing it with a faceless YouTube channel or with an existing channel, I do have a free masterclass. That'll be the first link in the description below the video. Definitely check that out. Another great niche is cryptocurrency. And this niche pays around $30 per 1,000 views, like this channel right here. So you can see by their Social Blade stats, they get paid much more than it is showing here because again, it's based on 25 cents to $4 per 1,000 views. So we take the total number of views for 30 days and divide it by 1,000 and then multiply times 30. This channel makes approximately $185,000 a month. I do have a playlist of profitable niches, examples of channels in these niches, and how much approximately you can expect to make every month with these type of channels. I will post that playlist in the description below this video, so definitely check out those videos. So next you want to come up with 30 video ideas. You want to find videos that are already getting a lot of views and what people really want to watch. So how you would do this is go to channels in your niche. For example, if we were looking at the Make Money Online niche, you could use this channel as an example. And then you would look at their trending videos and their most popular videos. So for this channel right here, I would scroll down and I would say this would be a good video to model after, make money using your iPhone for free. And then to get the script, you can click right here on these 3 dots and it says open transcript. And then click right here, toggle timestamps, and this will give you everything that was said in that video. You can copy and paste this into a software called Quillbot, and that will paraphrase it. Then you can run it through Quillbot to reword it. I would recommend, even after taking it through Quillbot, to rewrite it even more or have your Scriptwriter do this. And you might be thinking, where can I hire a Scriptwriter? Here are some websites you can go to hire a Scriptwriter, as well as other people you will need. You can go to People Per Hour, Freelancer, and of course Fiverr, freeup.net. And Upwork is another great site to hire freelancers. I've hired a lot of people on this website. Then you want to hire a voiceover artist to read and record the script. And then you want to find an editor to put the video clips with the voiceover and create the actual video. You also want to outsource the thumbnail. The thumbnail is super important to get a good click-through rate, so make sure you find someone who does really high-quality work, and you can check out thumbnails on the videos that you're modeling after that are already doing really well and have them do something similar. You want a thumbnail that people can't help but click on because it looks so interesting. Like this thumbnail, for example, in the Gabby Petito case. To me, this is a great thumbnail, and that, in addition to the title, I'm sure has a very high click-through rate. I use someone else right now that does my editing, but I used to use this person right here on Fiverr, and he always does really high quality work. So you can definitely check him out. Next, you want to actually upload the video and SEO optimize it. You want to use your main keyword in the title, 2 to 3 times in the description, and in the first part of your tags. So for example, if I was modeling after this video right here, I could find the tags that this person is using in their videos by installing vidIQ, which is a free Google Chrome extension, and then just scrolling down right here, clicking on the paperclip, copying those, and using those in my video. Now, here's something I learned to get a lot of views from a 7-figure income earner who has multiple faceless YouTube channels. So listen closely to this because it's a super valuable hack. When you upload your video, like I've done here, you find trending videos on the topic or the general niche and include links to them in the description of your video. So let me show you what I mean. So I would find videos that are trending or doing very well with these keywords here, and then what I would do is at the very bottom write inspired by a caffeinated blogger video, put in quotations the name of their video, and then the URL to their video. You can do this up to 5 videos. So I've done this for 4 different videos, and then you would just save that in your description. And the reason why this works, he said, to get a lot of views on your video, you just upload it is people are watching the video that you're modeling after and that's trending, and then your video will start to show up in the right-hand side in the suggested videos. So you can get traffic from these videos that are trending and get a lot of views. And there's 2 things you can do to earn even more money than with ads on your videos. First of all, you can have a call to action at the end of your video saying something like, if you want to learn more about whatever, click the first link in the bio. You can go to affiliate networks to find products, or you can simply go do a Google search, for example, luxury affiliate programs if you have a channel on luxury. And then you can find a lot of things that you can sell. For example, you can see all these luxury affiliate programs right here. Then something else you can do is once your channel is going well, like this channel right here is doing very well, you can start other channels in different languages. So you would basically use the same video footage, but hire a voiceover artist to create a voiceover in another language. Then of course the thumbnail would be in this other language as well, but you can see that this channel here has done this. They started in English and they have other channels, there's probably more than this, but these are the ones that I found that are in different languages. This one, and this one. And they're all doing very well. So these channels are making a lot of money, and this is another way that you can make even more money. Thanks for sticking around till the end of this video. I hope you go out there and crush it with an automated YouTube channel and really make a great monthly income. Let's continue the learning with this next video, how to make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing for beginners. I think you'll get a ton of value from it. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.